Moral accountability. Morally, AI lacks emotions, ethical awareness, and as we will see, consciousness, making it fundamentally incapable of understanding the moral weight of its actions. AI does not possess intent, empathy, or the ability to distinguish right from wrong. Worse, it can convincingly simulate moral behavior without truly possessing it, leading users to assign it more authority than it deserves or even to delegate important decisions that should not be delegated. When an AI system makes a decision that could harm someone, whether it is something as simple as denying a loan or as serious as targeting an individual in a military operation, it feels no guilt or remorse. That absence of emotional accountability can be profoundly dangerous. Technical accountability. Technically, AI systems operate within the boundaries of their lines of code, training data, and optimization goals. While it is theoretically possible to trace an AI's decision back to its underlying code or dataset, in practice, these decisions often emerge from layers of computation so complex that even the system's creators struggle to fully understand how a particular outcome was reached. Whether it is diagnosing a tumor or navigating a self-driving car, AI doesn't decide in any meaningful human sense. There is no judgment, intent, or ethical reasoning involved. AI simply executes instructions and maximizes outcomes based on statistical patterns in its training data. When AI makes a flawed decision, it is not due to negligence or malice, but to a limitation in scope, since it operates within the boundaries of the data it was trained on and the objective it was programmed to optimize. A mistake isn't a moral failing, it is a technical one. The pre-Newtonian moment of AI. We can draw a clear parallel between AI's current accountability gap and the rise of social media more than a decade ago. Social media platforms face similar limitations. The many hands problem, opaque systems, and a prioritization of business outcomes over moral responsibility. Today, we are living with the consequences. A rise in mental health issues among teens, a lack of legal accountability for crimes committed on platforms, and a deep erosion of public trust in social media companies. One of the most striking descriptions of this issue came from Instagram co-founder and former CEO Kevin Systrom, who, in his final interview as Instagram CEO, told Kara Swisher of the New York Times, "Social media is in a pre-Newtonian moment, where we all understand that it works, but not how it works. There are certain rules that govern it, and we have to make it our priority to understand the rules, or we cannot control it." His point was that we could observe the effects of social media, how it shaped opinions, amplified behaviors, and altered social dynamics, but we didn't yet understand the mechanisms driving those effects. We could not predict them, could not govern them, and most crucially, could not assign responsibility when things went wrong. That was back in 2018, and in hindsight, it felt like a premonition of what would unfold at an even greater exponential scale with AI nearly a decade later.